Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight in the trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then at the top of the page, click on the flights button. So first you have to select if it's a one-way, a round trip, or a multi-city trip. So if it's a one-way trip, then you have to set the departure country or city. And then you have to select the arrival city as well. And then you have to set the dates, so just choose the time when you want to flight. And then you have to select the class, so you can choose from these. So just select the one that you want. And lastly, you have to set the passengers, so the number of adults, children and infants traveling with you. And you can do that by clicking on the plus sign next to them. So once you've done everything, just click on the search button. And as you can see, you will find all the available flights according to your searches with the prices next to them. So now you can just choose the most optional for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.